Hey traders, another week, another trade. In today's video, we'll explore the Elliott wave theory for technical analysis to explain in simple way. The Elliott wave principle was developed by Ralph Nelson Elliott in the 1930s. Elliott wave studied his historical stock market price movements and process that markets are not completely random. Investor psychology creates recurring patterns of optimism, fear, greed, and pessimism. The basic story of Elliott Wave. Optimism begins with one. A new trend starts. Most investors have not yet recognized the change. Now, to the market pulls back as many traders believe that the previous trend will continue. Wave 3, more participants recognize the new trend. This is often the strongest and the longest impulse wave. Wave 4, after a strong move, traders take profits and the market corrects. And the wave 5, the trend which mature stage, public participations increases, but underlying momentum can begin weakening. Then comes the basic correction. A breakdown, the established trend begins to reverse. B recovery, a temporary rebound creates hope that the original trend will continue. Capitalization, selling or buying pressure resumes, completing the correction, setting the stage for the next cycle. The key idea in wave analysis therefore combines price structure, market psychology, Fibonacci relationships, and liquidity to interpret where a market may be within its larger cycle. This is the basic pattern of Elliott wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Pound construction, where this one will combine the motive numbered space and the corrective layered space. Wave 1, so wave 2, so wave 3, the wave 3 says the wave 3 is the longest one. Wave 4, so wave 5. Wave 1 is a motive wave. Wave 3 it's the motive wave. Wave 5 is also a motive wave. The wave 2 and the wave 4 it's a corrective wave. After this is the corrective base, the bull market, and this is the corrective base. The basic of Elliott waves. The market moves in waves, not in a straight line. Impulses and motive waves more move in the direction of the trend. There's a bull trend. This is corrective wave. Let's say this is start wave 1, wave 3, 4. So wave 5. And this is the new trend of corrective wave. The first strong trend of corrective wave, the market comes on the wave 4. Whereas the downtrend just the wave 4. The wave 4 and when the market will rebound into the 50% of this downtrend. And then the market comes back into the wave 2 territory. Corrective waves moves against the direction of the trend. This is the incorrect and correct counting. So wave 1 is too high, the wave 2 is short, and the wave 3 is short. The wave 4 it's same with the wave 2 and correct. This is the incorrect counting. This is the correct and correct counting. So wave 1 is high, the wave 2, and the wave 3 is the same with the wave 3 and the wave 4 and the wave 5. It's simple. This is the right counting, the correct counting. This is the wave 1, this is the wave, another wave 1, and another 2, and then 3. Up in the bull market, the basic ABC correction, A, B, and B, C. This is the sub-wave correction. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. Idealize the corrective wave. Complacency, optimism, rhyme, large decrease, prosperity appears assured. small decrease, quickness report. I realized the corrective wave. This is a wave A, wave B, or this that it becomes higher than this. There's a wave B, this is a C. Top, complacency and optimism, Ryan. Large decrease, prosperity appeared assured. Small decrease, weakness report. And the recovery, selective, narrow, heavy leverage, large decay and debtlessness results in the non-confirmation. Utilization, strong board, large decrease economic contracts, debtors become stress default. Technical breakdown, trend lines broken, viewed as a buying opportunity. Expanded flat and bear market. Corrective wave also is it's a subwave A, B, C, ABC, ABCDE. There are six elite wave patterns. So one, two, three, four, five. The symmetrical, get this. A, B, B, B. Then break out. What is the what break out? Call this one in charting base. What is the what they call this? What they call this one? They call this one. They call this one and basic chart pattern, bullish pen and ending diagonal, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have a subwave of ending diagonal. 1, 4, 5. Fibonacci and Elliott waves. Look at this trader. In wave 1 territory, there is 5 wave. 1, 2, 4, 5. The wave 2, we have ABC correction. ABC. And 3, there's also another 5 waves. And 4, we have ABC correction. And 5, there's another 5 waves. And ABC, we have also another 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B correction, we have 3 waves. And C correction, we have also 5 waves. Retrace with 2, it retraces with 2 is a 38% retracement of wave 1. I had an example with this. This is the wave 1, the wave 2. This is a buy side liquidity. The wave 3 is the longest one. The wave 4, the wave 5, the sell side liquidity. Do this, you can read this. Try to use an Elliott wave theory. Go to this left side reading view. We have the Elliott wave impulse. If you want to put it up, just click the start. Let's see. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and have to ABC contains A. Said before it's A, B, and the Z. Did you notice that I have shown you this? The basic pattern of the Elliott wave back into the wave 4 territory. Let's do the beginning of wave. From this chart, it's a wave 4, it's a A, and the C. I had to put the correct, alright, great. So it's a wave 1, it's wave 2, 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is the basic pattern of Elliott wave. The rule of Elliott wave, when the market correct, will come back to wave 1. This is the basic pattern of Elliott. The current price of Bitcoin today, this is my liquidity zone. For my next video, I will teach intermediate of every way. See you next week.